Guess you knew you had a better place to go. Now you've got a room with a view, a window to the world. You always had your sights set high, and now that you're